Där.
Någon form av, jag tror det är Turkiet eller någonting. Det är inga skyltar. Fråga någon säger någonting. Ursäkta, vad är det här för något?
Can I say English?
Yes, you can.
It's for the people who.
It's Turkey.
Because Turkey has helped Somalia a lot.
Ah.
There's an accident that happened in Tishan
Uh-huh.
1 week ago.
Uh-huh.
So 400 people almost died there
Because of what?
because of bomb attack.
Aha.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
and
come
this is
after them.
this what is Somalia?
Yeah.
And this is
Turkey.
what does the flag mean?
I really don't know.
You don't know?
No.
I can inform you. I can inform you.
Okay, you can tell me.
It's you.
I know. I didn't mean that way.
No, but it's you.
I know. It's my.
No, no,
identity.
no, no. You don't understand.
Yeah.
What do I look like when I do this?
Swedish.
What? Swedish? I don't look Swedish. I'm not blue and yellow. Or maybe a little bit, yes. No, this is a 5-pointed star.
Okay.
And it's a symbol of man.
Aha.
You didn't know that? No, it's a symbol of you. It's arm, foot,
But it
and head.
doesn't mean that way. But it's
For me it does.
okay. But for us, it's not like that.
For you it's...
It's something else.
What is it?
It's in the history, but I don't remember it now.
You have to
It's
find it out. So you can
actually,
tell
yeah.
me.
Okay. I promise.
You know the Swedish cross?
Yeah.
It symbolized the cross of Jesus.
Aha. Okay.
Did you know?
I do know that because a lot of Christians do that.
Or it symbolizes the tree of life. It's so a symbol
This is
has got many meanings.
Yeah.
Yes. But why this demonstration?
It's a beautiful one.
Yeah, but why?
Because we are collecting a lot of money for that people to
Ah,
help them.
but no. Okay, money also creates guns. Yes.
I know, but we're going to help them anyway.
We need food.
Somehow.
We need food
Yeah.
And shelter.
We're going to pay that money.
for
That
food.
money, yeah. We're going to do a lot of things like hospital. We don't have
Ah, you don't have hospital.
good medicines or something.
Ah.
That's what we can
So
do.
you're collecting and people can send.
Yeah.
And where do they contact? Who do they contact if they want to give?
There's a number that.
It's the number of that one.
Yeah.
Aha. So what you called? What is your organization called?
It's here. Come
Yeah.
let's
Okay.
check.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna find out more about. Okay. Uh-huh. 7 mila.
This 28 October, we're going to have an event where we're going to do a lot of things that we're going to sell,
Uh-huh.
and then people come and
They can get information.
yeah,
7 mila här.
see this again.
In Hisingen.
Yeah.
Aha. And you're gonna be there also?
You're
Nice.
most welcome.
Yes. Is it? I'm like a culture student,
Okay.
so I have a YouTube channel, and I've been traveling for 7 years without money, and I'm very interested in people. And so Somalia, you come from Somalia, and Turkey.
Yeah.
Have you been there? But in Somalia, you.
Yes, I've been.
Kan jag ta bild?
Ja, du kan ta bild.
And what is
Skriv så här på
it to live in Somalia?
Can I? Am I going to answer it now?
Well, what you could do is you can come to this place and you can ask this fantastic lady or what it is to be in Somalia and Sweden.
you can
Yes,
do that.
perfect.